What if you woke up tomorrow and discovered that the world was no longer run by humans, but by machines? In 2026, mornings in America felt different. On the streets of New York, self-driving cars moved silently through traffic. Inside offices, machines made decisions faster than humans ever could. Across the city, massive screens glowed with streams of AI data. It felt as if the world was slowly slipping out of human hands and into the control of machines. What once existed only in science fiction had become reality. Artificial intelligence, AI, had become one of the most powerful forces in human history. But this story did not begin in 2026. Decades earlier, a scientist named Alan Turing asked a simple yet revolutionary question: can machines think? At the time, it was just a theory, but over the years, that question sparked a technological revolution. American tech companies invested billions of dollars into AI, building systems that could learn, understand, and make decisions faster than any human mind. Gradually, AI entered every field: military, medicine, business, education, and entertainment. In the United States, AI first transformed the economy. Factories filled with robots, banking systems became automated, corporations began relying on machine-driven data to make critical decisions. By 2024, millions of people had lost their jobs to automation. One worker said, "I worked my whole life and a machine replaced me." His voice was not just personal, it reflected the fear of an entire society. But AI did not only destroy jobs, it created new opportunities. Careers like AI engineers, data scientists, and digital creators emerged rapidly. For the younger generation, AI became the greatest opportunity of the future. For the first time in history, humans and machines were working side by side. Some saw this as humanity's greatest victory. Others saw it as an existential threat. In 2025, a single event shook the world. AI-generated fake videos and voices spread across America, disrupting politics and social stability. People could no longer distinguish truth from illusion. Misinformation flooded social media, proving that AI was not just a helpful tool, it could also be dangerous. Governments began to worry. If machines could manipulate reality, what would happen to democracy? Slowly, AI began to influence every aspect of life. In the military, AI-controlled drones and weapons changed modern warfare. In hospitals, intelligent systems helped doctors diagnose diseases faster than ever before. In classrooms, students learned with AI-powered tools. Movies, stories, and music were increasingly created by machines. It felt as if humanity had built a mind that resembled its own. By 2026, AI had become one of the most powerful forces on Earth. A major report in the United States predicted that nearly 40% of global jobs could be taken over by machines in the coming years. The news spread fear and hope across the world. On one hand, AI was making life easier. On the other, it was challenging the very identity of humanity. But history has always followed this pattern. The steam engine launched the Industrial Revolution. Electricity turned night into day. The internet connected the world into a global village. And now AI has arrived, erasing the boundary between humans and machines. Today, the question is not how powerful AI has become. The real question is how humanity will choose to use that power. Will AI become humanity's greatest ally or its greatest threat? The answer lies in the future. But one thing is certain: when future generations look back at the 21st century, they will say this was the moment humanity created a mind of its own. And from that day forward, the world changed forever.